A twist drill bit machine, commonly called a drill press, is one of the most important machines used in engineering workshops, fabrication shops, and heavy-duty truck repair facilities. It is designed to produce accurate and clean holes in metal, steel, aluminum, cast iron, and many other materials. The machine rotates the twist drill bit at high speed while feeding it into the workpiece with controlled pressure. The twist drill bit has two sharp cutting edges and spiral flutes. As the bit rotates, the cutting edges remove material from the workpiece while the spiral flutes carry metal chips out of the hole. This continuous chip removal prevents clogging, reduces heat buildup, and improves cutting efficiency. Cutting oil or coolant is often applied to reduce friction, extend drill bit life, and produce a smoother hole. Before drilling begins, the workpiece is securely clamped to the drill press table or held in a heavy-duty machine vise. The correct drill bit size and spindle speed are selected according to the material being drilled. The operator aligns the drill bit with the marked center of the hole and slowly lowers the spindle using the feed handle. Steady pressure allows the drill bit to cut smoothly without excessive vibration or damage. In heavy-duty truck repair, a twist drill bit machine is used for drilling new bolt holes, repairing damaged mounting points, enlarging worn holes, preparing components for tapping, and restoring brake, suspension, chassis, and engine parts. Proper drilling ensures accurate alignment, secure fastening, and reliable assembly of heavy-duty components. After drilling is complete, burrs are removed using a deburring tool or countersink, and the finished hole is inspected for size, depth, and accuracy. With correct operation and regular maintenance, a twist drill bit machine delivers precise, efficient, and dependable drilling for heavy-duty truck restoration and engineering work. During the restoration of a heavy-duty truck backing plate, a twist drill bit machine plays an important role in repairing worn or damaged mounting holes. Before drilling begins, the backing plate is thoroughly cleaned to remove grease, rust, dirt, and old paint. It is then carefully inspected for cracks, bent areas, and damaged holes. The backing plate is securely clamped to the drill press table to prevent movement during machining. The correct size twist drill bit is selected according to the required hole diameter. Using the proper spindle speed and cutting oil, the drill bit rotates at high speed and cuts through the steel backing plate with smooth, controlled pressure. The twist drill bit is used to restore damaged bolt holes, enlarge holes to the correct size, remove broken bolts or rivets, and prepare the plate for new fasteners or replacement brake hardware. The spiral flutes carry metal chips away from the cutting area, producing a clean and accurate hole while reducing heat buildup. After drilling is completed, the holes are deburred and inspected for proper size and alignment. The backing plate is then ready for further restoration, painting, and reassembly with new brake components. Accurate drilling helps ensure the brake shoes, springs, and other hardware fit correctly, contributing to safe and reliable braking performance in heavy-duty trucks.